Waverley Abbey and Moor Park Nature Reserve are just down the road from us, 37 minutes. These photos give a flavour of their visits. Yeah, signs of World War II history with tank traps near the church. River Wey. Then the nature reserve includes what became a grotto, Mother Ludlam's Cave, the source of a stream which drains into the River Wey. This area is rather boggy. Places to swim, walk across the reed beds. This is inside the pillbox. Nice place for kids to hang out. Continue our walk past places to swing, back to the river and where we parked our car.